Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and I review perfumes. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're coming back, thank you for coming back. As always, it really helps if you can leave a comment, thumbs up, or even subscribe if you can. If you can't, that's totally fine. I understand not everyone wants the pop-up all the time. Today I'm going to talk about, I've had some new acquisitions and some of them are really sticking to me like spaghetti on a wall. Like I just love them so much, and I wanted to tell, these are my current obsessions. So the first one is, as always, this is a blind buy. This is Azzaro's Wanted Girl by Night. See this? I used to think it was kind of like, not ugly, but it wasn't my favorite. I think it's supposed to be like a little bomb, a little grenade, because you know, the men's version is like a, what do you call it? Part of a gun, and then this the bullet that holds the bullets. I don't know guns. This one is like a little grenade. The color is the most gorgeous, like deep wine red. So this one, I'm gonna spray myself because I could spray myself with this all day long. This is from 2021. Now this has vanilla. Well, it has whipped cream, but it reads like vanilla. And I know that because my son came into the room and said, "Are you making dessert? It smells really good." No. And this has night blooming cereus. It has rum and it has patchouli. So oh my God, but it smells, and everyone online says this, it smells a little bit like grapes, like grape jelly, not super sweet, a little bit sweet, but it really does smell like Concord grapes, grape juice. There's like whipped cream. It is so gorgeous. I love this so much. I bought it off Fragrance Net, so it was discounted. I'm not sure if they're making it anymore. There's Wanted Girl, and then there was Wanted Girl by Night, and then there's Wanted Girl Tonic. So they were like 2020, 2021, and 2022, and then nothing. So I don't know if they're still making these things. I don't know anything about it. This one, the perfumer is Olivier Cresp, or Olivier Cresp. So he's done Acro, he has Acro, he did Acro Bake, he did Devotion by Dolce & Gabbana. He really seems to like doing the sweet, desserty gourmand. This one is, it is in the realm of gourmand, but it's more leaning perfume. Very beautiful, very sexy. I am really enjoying this one, and I don't think that will slow down. I love this one. I'm surprised more people don't talk about it because it's absolutely gorgeous. The next one I was going to talk about, there's been a lot of hype on this one, and I blind bought this one, and it's successful. I love this one too. Look, Delina L Rose. This is only the 30 mils. I got this also at a fragrance discounter. I just went ahead and bought it because I'm drowning in samples, and I'd rather buy a perfume and then sell it than like have another sample floating around. So this one is a beautiful rose. So Delina was rhubarb and rose with a little bit of incense. This is that, but it's more watery. It's a bit more ozonic. There's less spice. It's not as tart. It's more summery. It's really beautiful. Everyone is right. It is so gorgeous. So there's lychee, pear, bergamot, Turkish rose, water, peony, floral, musk, wood, and vetiver. So what came to mind to me, what this makes me think of, is I have Delina Exclusive. I have smelled Delina, but it's been a while. I have Delina Exclusive. If you mixed Delina Exclusive with Chloe perfume, that's what this smells like. A watery, beautiful rose, but there's that little bit of that tartness, a little bit of the incense, a little bit of the lychee. It's really very feminine, very pretty. I am so glad I blind bought this. It is definitely a success story. The next one is, I talked about this in my, there it is. I was trying to hide it, but I'm not. Amouage Sun Sunshine. Amouage Sunshine. This is a beautiful, fruity, floral. It has, I think the most distinctive characteristic is it has white tobacco. So there definitely is a tiny bit of tobacco, but a good tobacco. Like it just gives it a little bit of earthiness. It's definitely not sexy ashtray. You're not getting huge tobacco vibes. It's very floral. There's almond. There's like black currant, osmanthus, there's a little bit of vanilla, there's pine, there's a little bit of juniper. So there's aromatic. So you really have like a little bit of everything. It's very complex. So you have the fruit from the black currant, you have the flower from the osmanthus, you have the tobacco giving it a little bit of edge, the vanilla giving it smoothness, the pine and juniper giving it an aromatic kind of fresher feel. I love this. I put this on and my husband immediately was like, wow, that smells really good. Plus, look how cute this bottle is. And you can see this is only a low partial. I didn't buy a full bottle, but I'm obsessed with this. I'm obsessed with this. Definitely one of my favorites. Love, love, love. The next one I just got, but again, already obsessed. Teriaq by Lattafa. This is new this year. This is a, a job that was done by Quinton Bish. He's the perfumer for Lattafa. So a lot of people say this smells like La Belle, Jean-Paul Gaultier. Sort of, not really. So there's definitely, it has caramel and apricot. There's definitely a leathery touch. There's a little bit of vanilla. There's vetiver. But the leather is very smooth. There's also almond in it. Again, very complex. It's sweet, but not too sweet. There's some nuttiness. There's florals. The apricot gives it like a fruitiness. The vetiver and leather take it away from the feminine leaning vibe. It's got a little bit of everything, and I really like this one. Although I would say I wouldn't recommend a blind buy. I think it's a little bit too out there. Not out there, it's not crazy out there, but it's not, I wouldn't say it's a safe blind buy. And look at the top. It's got a snake at the top. I'm not really sure what that's all about. Snaky there. But anyways, very, very, very cool. And the last one is one that I've had for a long time, but I'm just obsessed with it lately. I don't know why. It's Coco Mademoiselle. And so it's got that famous orange, rose, patchouli, a little bit of flower. I don't know, I've been wearing it to bed. I just love it so much. And you know, it's funny because I read online on Fragrantica, the top comment, so that had just recently been added, was like, how do people wear this? This smells so disgusting. I sprayed myself and then got on the bus and I was like ready to throw up all the way home, and I was like, damn, like, I mean, it's very subjective, but I just, wow, I love this so much. And you know what's interesting is that there are so many vanilla and gourmand perfumes going on now. There's a lot of aroma chemicals. There's a lot of really modern scents out there, a lot of different profiles. So much so that this one is actually quite unique. Like if you wear this, you're not going to smell like everyone else because it's been out for over 20 years. So, and it's available everywhere. You can go to, you know, your favorite department store and give it a sniff, but I don't know. I just love this one. It's my favorite bedtime scent. I don't know what it is. It's like the orange, florally, patchouli, aromatic, I don't know, woody, citrusy. It's gorgeous. I love it so much. Yeah, for sure. So those are the perfumes that I'm obsessed with right now, that I'm really loving and enjoying. What are you loving and enjoying right now? What do I need to get my nose on? I hope you're having a wonderful day, a wonderful summer. And if you can, leave me a comment, thumbs up, or subscribe. Love you. Bye.